What it do, YouTube? Had to make like a little trench for the water. The water was backing up from the washing machine by the house, YouTube. So I had to go to Lowe's and get this pole. This PVC pipe. Excuse me, I said pole. PVC pipe because it's backing up by the house. And dig it out so it'll run right here where these rocks is. But I'm now just waiting for the washing machine to spin. But don't feel too bad out here. Nice old sunny day. Ain't getting ate up by no mosquitoes. Now I'm waiting on the washing machine to drain. All right, YouTube, we out.